Is your Kirby not picking up as it used to? Then it may be time to change that disposable bag. Let's dive straight into it. Don't forget everything you use in the video today. There are links in the description below for the best place to get those Kirby products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Hi Kirby fans, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be showing you how to change your Kirby disposable bag. Now, if you've got a generation Kirby, whether that be the G3, the Avalir 100, or even the Avalir 2, at some point you're going to want to change that bag. Now, there's a few reasons why. If you've got dogs, then your bag might start to smell like a mortuary, and then you need to change it. Or your Kirby might not be picking up as it used to. What we used to advise when I was selling the G3 was if the handle dropped fully down really quick, then your bag will need empty. You can always check your bag. So check if it's solid. If it's pretty solid, 9 times out of 10 it's filled up with dirt and grime, which you will notice your Kirby bags are going to be a lot heavier than a bag in a traditional vacuum, because it's picking up all the dirt and not destroying your carpet and picking up just the fluff. With your Kirby bags, you can get a 2-star one. Now this is for pets. These are the charcoal bags. I will put a link in the description of where to get these from. Also, you'll get a 6-pack as well. They are universal, so I'll show you when we look at the bag. So on the older style, you'll have a twist connection, and then on the new style, we'll have the F connection. So I'll jump through the old style connection for people with older Kirbys up to the early Centurions. If you've got a late Centuria, then it's going to be an F-style connection. If you want to know how to upgrade your Kirby to an F-style connection, I'll put a link to a video at the end of this one. Right, so for demonstration purposes, we're going to be using the G6. This one hasn't got a bag in it, but I will show the difference of the connections. The Avalir 100 is looking like it needs a bag changing. So we're going to open this, and you can see we've got a twist style connection. So you've got 2 slots on the side here. We grab our bag, which has said the Kirby bags now are universal. So this is the F style connection, and this is the twist style. So what I tend to do is just push that finger through there, pull that. That way then, that leaves that free for us to line up our bag with those notches, like so, and then twist. As easy as that. Now what you might notice on your Kirby, again, you've got a full line. You never go past this full line because it will reduce the airflow of your Kirby and it picking up dirt and grime. Always change them when they either to get to this line or before, or even if you start to smell a dog smell, it's time to change that bag. I've got a video on how to reduce the dog smell, so I'll put a link to that at the end of this video. Then all we do is pop our Kirby bag in, zip it up, and that's ready to rock and roll. Now to remove it, it's the same process but just in reverse. So lower that top, twist that until it lines up. So when it's lined up, it'll be on a slight angle, and then just pull that off and off it comes. Okay, make sure any grime. So what I tend to do is when I pull out my bag out, I normally fold that over just to stop any grime going anywhere. Right, so now we jump over to the Avalir. Now this is the same design F-style bag that you'll find in the late Centurions from 2011 right up to the Avalir 2. When you undo this, don't just pull it down really quick. You don't want to damage your zip, and you don't want it catching the bag inside. So what I tend to do is just pull it down nice and slow, put your finger in, hold that part, and pull that down. You can see the bag is pretty full, and we're definitely up to that full line. Most of this is dog hair, and yes, it does smell like a mortuary in here. So give that a shake because you don't want any grime coming out. You're going to flip that up, hold that, and you can see the dirt there. Okay, then what I tend to do is lift that out, grab your bag, and just fold that over, and then fold it over one more time. And that's ready to go in the bin. Grab our new bag. Again, put your finger in the middle, pull that. And these are a lot easier, as you can see. You can do these with one hand. Just slot that in there. Push that up. So slot that over and just flip that over. Again, make sure you use genuine Kirby bags. There are a lot of bags that these styles don't fit correctly, and you'll find that if you don't use a Kirby bag, they 9 times out of 10 they'll blow off, and your external bag will be getting full of grime, and then you've got to clean it all out. So it's well worth using the original Kirby bags. Now that's changed, put that in, zip it up, and that's one new Kirby bag changed. Don't forget everything you use in the video today. There are links in the description below for the best place to get those Kirby products, so make sure you check those out at the end of this video. If you enjoyed that quick tutorial, and as you can see, it's really easy to change those Kirby bags. Like I advise, when it gets to that line, don't overfill it. You're going to have issues with your Kirby not picking up, and also when you come to change it, it's all going to spill out. For those of you struggling with a smelly Kirby bag, check out this video. For those of you with an older Kirby and you want to change it to the F-style connection, check out this video. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.